Hello again and welcome to CAD for Horticulture. We're going to pick up where we left off last time, where we drew just these two lines here using the line command. Next thing we should learn is how to copy. So again, we have an icon up here for copy, or we can just type in CP into the command line. We will click right on top of these lines. As you click things, note they will turn into a dashed line. And if you read your command line down here, it says copy select objects. We have two total found. We picked one at a time. And it's asking us if we want to select anything else. We do not want to select anything else, so we're going to hit the enter. And that's what throws a lot of people off, is that extra time of hitting the enter key. Now everything is turned to dashed, and it's asking us to specify our base point. So I'm going to click kind of near the intersection here. And then as you notice, I have control of these lines now. And wherever I click again, that's where they're going to go. So I just copied those over. Now I could copy again and again and again, but I'm just going to hit the escape key at this time. So there we have it. We have copied our first lines over. Now we might want to erase some lines. So let's use the eraser. And if you look up here, they have a pencil with an eraser on it. And it kind of will open up and show you how to erase things as well. Or you can just type E into the command line and it asks you what objects you would like to erase. So let's erase this one and maybe this one for now. They turn into these dashed lines. We are done selecting objects, so I'm going to hit enter and those objects are now gone. We can pan. I'm just going to type the actual word pan into the keyboard this time and move them back into the center. Now if we wanted those lines back, there's a couple options. We can go up here and there's actually an undo button. So we can undo. If we click on the little arrow next to it, it tells us all these commands, up to 26 commands and more, that we can undo. So maybe we just undo the erase and it brings us back to here. Another fun one, we can erase something. We can do some moves. So we zoomed in and out, we panned. You can use a great command called OOPS. OOPS. And what that one actually does is it just brings back the last thing that was erased. So even though we did some zooms and pans, it didn't undo all of those. It just brought back the last item that was erased. That could be really handy if you're working with a very detailed project and you're like, oh no, I shouldn't have erased that little thing. Then you can bring it back with a oops. Well, thank you very much. That is the episode for today, and hope to see you next time.